Hi everyone! As you know, we're learning about Earth and Earth Day this week. And Earth is where we live and we have to do our good job and take care of where we live. So I have a story about a group of friends. And this group of friends really wants to do something nice for our Earth. And they work together to try to get this done. So the story is called Earth Day Hooray, and it's written by Stuart J. Murphy. Remember, Earth Day is kind of like the Earth's birthday, and we take time that day and we do something nice for our Earth. Ready? This place is a mess, said Ryan. That's why we're cleaning it up, Carly said. Come on, pitch in. The Maple Street School Save the Planet Club was cleaning up Gilbert Park, the site of this year's Earth Day celebration. They picked up candy wrappers, crumpled newspapers, empty coffee cups, old flyers, lost tennis balls, and lots of aluminum cans. Can you imagine if our school playground looked like that? Look at all that trash. So they're going to do a nice thing and they're going to pick up all that trash. You know, said Ryan, even after we're finished cleaning the park, it won't look all that good. It really could use some flowers at the entrance. Gilbert Park had a few trees and some grass, and that was it. If we take all the cans to the recycling center instead of throwing them away, they'll give us money for each can, and maybe we can buy enough flowers to plant. So they're going to try to collect cans to get money. Because if you recycle cans, you can get money, and they're going to try to plant flowers at the beginning of the park. They want to make it even better. Mrs. Watson, the club advisor, thought Ryan's idea was fantastic. She said, even if you can get 5,000 cans, that should be enough for some really beautiful flowers. I bet we won't find that many, said Luke. So that now they have a goal. They have to get 5,000 cans. Do you think they're going to reach their goal? The club sorted all the cans they found. Ryan and Carly and Luke filled small bags with 10 cans each. When they had 10 small bags, they put them in the big bag that held 100 cans, so they would be easier to count. They ended up with 3 big bags of 100, 5 small bags of 10, and 9 single cans. They left the bags near the trash can so that Mrs. Watson could pick them up that evening. So they needed 5,000 cans, but they only ended up with 359. So 100, 200, 300, 300, and then they have to get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 350, and they had 359. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they're a long way from their goal. They need 5,000 and they're only at 359. By the next morning at school, Mrs. Watson called Ryan, Carly, and Luke over to her desk. Bad news, she said. The trash collector at the park didn't realize the cans were for the recycling. He took them to the dump with the rest of the trash. I knew it, said Luke. I knew we never could do it. Don't give up, said Ryan. We still can collect cans. We can have a can drive right here at school. I don't know, said Luke. It will only work if a lot of people bring in cans. So now they're going to start like a service project, just like we do with Miss Gabbard. When we bring in things, they're going to start collecting and see if they can meet their goal. The custodian, Mrs. Jones, set up a barrel in the hallway. Luke made a big sign. Mrs. Watson helped Ryan print up a flyer announcing their goal, and Carly drew a cartoon. So now they have a place where they can put all their cans. And they still need to get to 5,000. Such a big number, huh? The next day, a few kids brought in cans. After school, Ryan and Carly and Luke went to check out the barrel. They sorted the cans into bags. They had 5 small bags of 10 and 6 single cans. Carly wrote 56 on the sign. We need to get more kids to help, she said. So the next day, they only collected 56 cans. So they're going up, but they're still a long way away. Carly, Luke, and Ryan got permission to visit every class and ask for help with the can drive. Carly worked all night so she would be ready. After school, Ryan and Carly and Luke stopped at every park and field and picked up every can they saw. So they went to every park that they knew of and they tried to find cans so they could reach their goal. The next morning, Ryan and Carly and Luke brought their cans to school. They went to the barrel to drop them off. "Look at all these cans," said Carly. "I knew it would work." And at recess, they counted the cans. They ended up with 6 bags of 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have 600. 3 small bags of 10. 10, 20, 30. And 5 single cans. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 635 cans. So their numbers are going up. Carly wrote the total on the sign. Mrs. Watson walked by. "You are going to need a bigger bag," she said. "I will bring some in tomorrow." So all this hard work they're doing is starting to pay off. They're starting to reach their goal. When Ryan and Carly and Luke checked the barrel the next day, it was overflowing. "We better ask Mrs. Jones for some more barrels," said Carly. They had 1 bag of 1,000, 4 bags of 100, 8 bags of 10, and 3 single cans. Carly wrote the total on the sign and remembered to put the comma between the thousands and the hundreds. So here's the 1,000, 1,000, and they got 400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 80, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1,483. Their numbers are going. Look at that big 1,000. That's a lot of work. Ryan and Carly and Luke kept working. Luke put signs up all over school. On Saturday, the members of the Save the Planet Club knocked on every door in their neighborhood. They handed out Ryan's flyers and carried big bags of people's empty cans. So now they're going to their community to collect cans. That's a nice thing to do. They're trying to reach their goal. On Monday morning, Ryan and Carly and Luke couldn't dump their cans in the collection barrels because they were full. At recess, they counted their cans. By the time recess was over, they still weren't done. Mrs. Watson said they could skip spelling to help finish counting. "And you didn't think this was a good idea," Carly teased Luke. Do you think it was a good idea to start the drive? The can drive to collect cans? Finally, at last, they finished. They had 2 huge bags of 1,000. So 1,000, 2,000. 8 bags of 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 small bags of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And 2 single cans. 1, 2. 2,852. Luke wrote the number down and then he shouted, "We did it!" So all those cans added up and they finally met their goal of 5,026. Mrs. Watson took the cans to the recycling center right after school. And Saturday morning she drove Carly, Luke, and Ryan to the plant nursery. They each picked out their favorite flowers and their favorite colors. That afternoon, the whole class came to Gilbert Park for an Earth Day celebration. The first thing they did was plant flowers at the entrance of the park. The park looked beautiful and there wasn't a single piece of trash anywhere. The end. So those classmates, they did 2 nice things for our Earth. They went and collected cans, they recycled something, and then they went and planted flowers. So they helped take care of our Earth. I hope you guys can get outside this week and maybe pick up trash or help your mommy and daddy in the garden and plant flowers. And remember that Earth Day is a special day where we get to take care of our Earth. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.